adventure if you can.
Under rescue.
Sirius XM Road Trip Radio.
Camp is made. It is salad time. Because you eat healthy while you're on the road, right?
Hey, let's see where we woke up today on this journey. Oh, look at all that corn. I bet you we are somewhere they grow a lot of corn. Welcome to Nebraska. It's a land of corn. Is that corn over there too? Alright, the journey east continues with corn. Hope you have a great day, an adventure if you can. Bye.
Time to work out.
The adventure is waking up today. Trees. A whole bunch of corn. It looks like this field doesn't have anything planted on it. Welcome to Iowa. Farmland. Things that we eat.
Just cooking some breakfast here. The pre-fall-ish of Ohio. The air is nice and crisp. And the eggs are coming. Hey everybody, so it's that time in the trip we talk about apples. These Honeycrisps are delicious. If you've not tried a Honeycrisp, you must be living under a rock because they have been around for a while. But anyway, it's time for Honeycrisp. I just wanted to share this immediate experience with you. Hope you have a great day, an adventure if you can. Bye.
Camping on the road is not always sexy. Sometimes you're, cooking breakfast in a parking lot in Indiana. But at least you're able to do that. So that's what happens. You still make amazing, amazing eggs when you can. And it's still free as it gets. Nomad bike.
For the 64, and I was
Time to get more gas. So part of the nice qualities about being a nomad is the ability to be like, hey, I'm driving in Ohio and like Lake Erie is just like right over there. I'm gonna drive over there and have lunch. So that's what I did because I can, because I'm a nomad and I go wherever I want, which is pretty amazing. So this journey includes Lake Erie from up here where I just had some pretty yummy lunch and a nice view. So there you go. Hope you guys have a great day and an adventure if you can. Bye. I had to like just come and pull over and check this thing out. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. It is like a plant calendar with clock here in Sandusky. That's pretty cool. I have to admit, that's pretty nice. Good job, Sandusky. Very cool. Hey everybody, I just wanted to like encourage you to just go out and try, even on days you don't feel like it, because like today I was not feeling the gym. I just wasn't. But I came anyway, and I just had the best swim of my life. Like I'm very, very happy about it. I just wanted to say, even on days you don't feel like it, keep trying, because maybe you'll do the best you've ever done. Hope you have a great day, and adventure if you can. Hey everybody, today's Chasing Sunset is brought to you by the side of Lake Erie, or just to the shore of Lake Erie, here in Ohio, on the journey east, and happened to be at the right place, well, close enough to the shore to be like, all right, let me go check this out. So I just wanted to share this beautiful reflective sunset with you guys, and hope that it brings you joy and encourages you to go outside and experience it for yourself. Hope you have a great day and adventure if you can. Bye. Trying to cut it pretty close here. So that took some gas. I bet it'll take more. It was down pretty empty.